In this video, we will explain and demonstrate some of the best winning reversal setups that can help you increase your profits as a forex trader. Let us get started. Subscribe to this channel for more videos so you don't miss out on any future updates. Engulfing candlestick patterns that are bullish or bearish. Engulfing bullish. The bullish engulfing pattern is made up of two candlesticks. The first candle has a short bearish body that is completely engulfed by a larger bullish candle, indicating a potential uptrend. The bearish engulfing pattern is made up of two candlesticks. The first candle has a short bullish body that is completely engulfed by a larger bearish candle, indicating a potential downturn signal. Only trade engulfing setups formed at support and resistance levels, as well as trend lines.